Let me show you the update with the booking link. So with the clinic booking link, every team member under your business is now automatically included in your booking link. You will see the team members here, and if you have multiple locations, customers or patients can actually see them here. When patients book through your booking link, they can choose a specific practitioner based on the treatments assigned to them. So as an example, I will choose lip filler. When I click on continue, I can now select the team member that I want to do my treatment. I can now switch between practitioners or team members, and I can see their availability. For business owners, this keeps every booking, payment, and report tied directly to your business account. Even when multiple practitioners work for the same location, for team members, it's seamless. New bookings go straight into their calendar, already linked with the correct business and payout split. It gives clinic a complete flexibility, one link that manages every practitioner, location, and payment automatically.